I got a chance to check out Dom Hemingway starring Jude Law, and I was really looking forward to checking this movie out. It looked like a lot of fun, really great Jude Law performance. And this is about Dom Hemingway, who spent 12 years in prison for keeping his mouth shut. And he's a safe cracker, and now he's get out of prison. Now he's on the streets and he's looking to collect what is owed to him. A lot of money is owed to him, and he's also trying to reconnect with his daughter, who he hasn't seen in 12 years. I gotta say, Dom Hemingway is a surprise hit, and I really enjoyed this movie. Right off the bat, from the beginning of the movie, you got a sense of this kind of character that Dom Hemingway is. This movie opened up so funny in a prison, and I'm just going to leave it at that. And this movie opened up great, and I had a smile on my face, and I was laughing the whole time. In the beginning of the movie, Dom Hemingway is this character that his confidence level is through the roof. He says what he wants, he does what he wants, and he does not care what people say. And Jude Law does this role so great, and it is so fun to watch him. What he says is so funny, you just had a smile on your face the whole time, and he is unbelievable. He's vulgar, he speaks his mind, doesn't care what anybody says, and Jude Law knocks his performance out of the park. What I really like about Dom Hemingway's character is he goes from this character in the beginning of confidence level throughout the roof and just this crazy guy, this drunk, and then you start to believe him a little bit more. He has this emotional side to him. He wants to become a better person. He wants to reconnect with his daughter. And this movie is essentially just about Dom Hemingway getting out of prison and getting his life back on track and getting what is owed to him. And I like this great character development from Dom Hemingway. Jude Law does an amazing job of just changing his character throughout the movie. This movie is only about 95 minutes long, but the character development is so great in this movie. I really enjoyed this movie. The humor in this movie is vulgar, it's dark. Dom Hemingway doesn't have the greatest plot going for it. It's a weak plot in my opinion. It's just like him getting out of prison and just reconnecting with his daughter and getting what is owed to him. Kind of been there, done that plot before, but everything else in this movie just made it so great. I really enjoyed Jude Law here. This is nothing like you've seen Jude Law before, and he is such a delight to watch. I really enjoyed Jude Law here. I really would like to see Jude Law do more movies like this. This movie was crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and give Dom Hemingway an A-. I really enjoyed this movie right from the beginning. This has one of the funniest opening sequences of a movie I have seen in a long time, and I just wanted to use some of the stuff he said in that movie in my own life. So definitely check out Dom Hemingway. It's in select theaters, so try to find it somewhere nearby. Definitely check it out. It is a really funny movie, really dark humor. I really like this really vulgar movie. The character and plot development was really great as well, adding on to this great performance from Jude Law, knocking it out of the park. So comment down below if you guys are excited to see Dom Hemingway. If you guys have already seen it, what are your thoughts on the film? It is the best surprise hit so far of 2014 for me. So hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.